Under Hardware Audit, you can retrieve the technical data about the devices and when the data was erased. In this table, you can find the main information about the device, such as model, type, capacity, and more about the disk erased. To do this, click on the plus sign of the selected device. You can filter the reports with different parameters. To do this, click on Filters and select the specific parameter. You can customize what information appears on the erasure report, so only necessary fields are displayed. To do this, click on Create Template. In the next window, enter a name for the template. Then select the desired fields and click on the arrow to the right to activate your template. Save it by clicking on Create. You can see your own template under Templates in the menu. In each template, only the columns selected for this template are shown. They can be sorted and filtered in the same way as with the standard template. You can always change the template's name and fields. To do this, click on the pencil icon next to the name of the template. You can change the name of the field as it suits you best. To do this, click on Edit Parameter under Settings. Select a field and give it a new name. Click on Save to save the changes. Then you see the new name in the header of the column. When exporting the reports, this new name is only transferred for the reports in the formats CSV and XLS. Reports in other formats will have the default name of the fields. You can change the value of each field. To do this, click on Edit in the Report menu. Select the required field and change the value as it suits you. All changes are saved with Save. In order to see your changes, you should switch the type of report from default values to the changed values. Then go to the settings of the report, select the pencil icon and click on Edited Values. Then save the change. To export a report, click on Export in the Templates menu. In the next window, you can choose the format and the erasure status. If you want to have the fields with your values in the report, then click on Edited Values. By clicking on Properties in the Report menu, you can see the data and the change history of the report. To delete a report, click on Delete in the Report menu and confirm the deletion. You can export all erasure reports together. To do this, click on Export All in the upper area. In the next window, you have the same settings for the export as for the export of single reports. In addition, you have the ability to export only one lot with certain reports. To do this, click on Export Lot in the upper area and select the desired folder and the appropriate parameters for it.